What's up, guys? HelpKit AI 2.0 is finally out. I'm super excited. HelpKit AI essentially is this AI-based chatbot that you can use as an add-on in HelpKit. And so you can essentially turn your help articles written in Notion into a full-fledged AI chatbot. And for the past 2 weeks, I've been working on this new update, and I just want to quickly show you what's new. So in case you don't know, you can check out HelpKit's changelog on helpkit/changelog, or if you're a customer, you probably also received the update email. And I would say let's just quickly go through it. The first big thing that is new is that you can now get started for free. So HelpKit AI is an add-on that you can purchase in addition to your HelpKit subscription. And a lot of you kept asking for a free trial, and now we have it. It's a 7-day free trial, and all you have to do is in your dashboard, at the very top, you can read HelpKit AI. You just click on it, and then you start your 7-day free trial. And you can test it out, battle test it, and see if it is something for you. But now let's get into the new features, because I think that's where it's really interesting. The first one is that HelpKit AI is now using GPT-4o, OpenAI's most powerful and also fastest model. I've been testing it for the past week, and it's really reliable, working really great. So this is now baked into HelpKit AI. Now let's have a look how it looks like in the dashboard and how easy it is to set up. So we're now in the HelpKit dashboard here. You can click the HelpKit AI button up here, or you can just navigate to your settings, and then under here, HelpKit AI, you can find the settings. And then we go here to the chatbot settings, where we can define the name, the intro, and some placeholder text, as well as now AI quick prompts. And you can already see I have predefined 3 quick prompts here. What is HelpKit? How can I implement HelpKit AI? And how can I contact you? And now here on the right side, we also have a preview. So you can test out HelpKit AI before going live, which is very crucial in my opinion, because sometimes the AI chatbot might output things you maybe want to tweak. And so this is a great place for you to preview the chatbot before going live. And so you can see already here, if I would click into this, it will pre-populate the question. I don't have to type it anymore. And then HelpKit AI will output the answer. And you can also see here, we have given HelpKit AI a custom prompt, in this case that we wanted to know about our support email. And so now the bot is already smart enough by letting us know here about our custom support email. However, I could also technically just ask it like, how can I contact you? And the bot would say, oh, you can contact us at demos@helpkit.so. And that's basically these 2 new features. They look very simple from a bird's eye perspective, but I feel like they can be super powerful. All right, let's go back. Let's take a look at the other new features. So you can now open the HelpKit widget with the AI chat interface as a default. So previously, when you were using HelpKit, the widget would always open like this. But now we can go into the settings here, say launch widget with AI chat. And then if I go here to a demo page, we can see that it loads with the widget, with the AI chat preloaded. And the cool thing about this, the UI changed a little bit here as well. So users can still browse the knowledge base if they want to by just clicking Browse Help Center here. And then boom, they are back into the knowledge base. And if they ever would want to go back, you just click the Ask AI button up here, and boom, you're back again. Then, if you are already using HelpKit AI, you might have noticed there's also a new button up here, which essentially allows users to restart and start a new conversation from scratch. So they don't have to keep typing in an old conversation that might have nothing to do with a new question. They can just restart a new question. Let's have a look at another feature that is new, which is the standalone AI button. A lot of you have been asking for this as well. You were saying that you want HelpKit AI to be more prominent on your HelpKit site, and now we made this available. So what it means is that if I go, for example, here to my HelpKit site, my HelpKit documentation site, you can see now on the very bottom we have this big button that says Ask AI. And it's a little bit more prominent as in the past where you would have to start using the search and then you would see the AI pop up. Now we can also have this standalone Ask AI button. And last but not least, I want to talk a bit about 2 new things, which might seem even subtler, but I think are also just a great new user experience. The first one is that you can press enter to open the AI chat, so you don't have to click the AI button here. I will show you this in a second. And the second thing is that the user experience just got a little bit smoother. So we have just implemented a better mechanism to show the user when answers are generated, and just now it just feels a little bit more nicer to the user when waiting for an answer. So now let's have a look. If I go into the search here, and I'm just gonna ask like, how do I enable HelpKit AI? And then I can press enter, and boom, it will open up the AI chat, pre-populate the question, and I can see HelpKit AI answered correctly how I can enable HelpKit AI, and it also gave me the sources of where the question is coming from, or where the answer is coming from, and boom, I can go in here and read more about it. So these are the new updates to HelpKit AI. I hope you find them useful, and as always, if you have any feedback, want this to be better, please let me know, and I'm more than happy to incorporate any sort of like improvements that I can do. All right, cheers out, guys.